for the sign of solidarity, support, and unity that we brought about. Since yesterday, many of you are present in Benue, condoling and sympathizing with people of Benue. Today you are all here, and we've seen a governor, Obasani, an agent of change, stability, love, unity, and progress. Obasani has performed wonders and changed the environment from previous toxic, uncontrollable environment to a state of life, progress, and development. I say thank you, my comrade. Thank you very much. The Deputy Senate President, all the members of National Assembly here present, members of the Federal Executive Council here present, Deputy Governor of Kaduna State, former governors here present, National Security Advisor, Speaker and members of Kaduna State House of Assembly, to all of you, the well-wishers of Kaduna, including our cultural entertainer, all the Chief Justice and members of Kaduna State Judiciary, His Eminence Ahmed Nuhu Bamali, Emma of South. Thank you for your love, commitment, and sincerity in supporting the development of this country, unity and stability in our nation. All other royal fathers here present, senior government officials, our party faithfuls, business communities, religious leaders, gentlemen of the press, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to be back here in Kaduna State. I share a very long-standing and meaningful connection throughout my journey in life, in politics, business, and the pursuit of democracy and fundamental rights. I have the privilege of working alongside Kaduna, many distinguished sons and daughters. Today, many of you are present here, many of you are not here. Let me use this opportunity to correct an omission. Some of those people that I missed out during the June 12th broadcast in the National Assembly is Colonel Dangiwa. Today, let me correct that by honoring him with national recognition of CFR. And I thank Sheikh Sani, who is also a comrade, for all you've done for democracy in this country. May God bless you. When you deserve the CON. All Nigerian leaders interested in forging and revenging our country are hereby listening to us. Today, I've seen an example of people-oriented commitment, development agenda, and far-sightedness in the governor, who had established not only critical center to train and develop the mind of our youth, living schools, as well as providing them with skill and opportunity to excel. Leave him alone. Your great people, Senator Obasani, the great people of Kaduna loves you. And that extends to our commitment to democracy, justice, and dignity of life. You are a good leader, and I am very happy to have to work with you. I think I am a lucky president. I am overwhelmed by the warm reception of the government and the people of Kaduna State. I am particularly impressed with the peaceful atmosphere prevailing in this state. This is sharply in contrast with the tense and toxic atmosphere when I visited this state in year 2022. To bringing Gwari local government for the electioneering campaign, we almost have to move the entire battalion. I have it on good authority that we can move to bringing Gwari today around midnight without fear of attack. Peace is the hallmark of development. That's why you are able to channel a vision that is sharp and yielding results. Thank you, Governor, for a good job you are doing. I'm proud to say that Kaduna is rising again, and we will work with you. For this, in every aspect of your developmental agenda, we will do everything to ensure that we achieve the vision of progress, prosperity. I will not forget the fact that the Light Rail project is there on our focus. We are focusing on that. We are going to do it, and we'll do it together. The projects I've just mentioned are well thought out. What we have been doing is laudable for this country. And I want to remind all our governors present that skill development that we jointly inspected and commissioned today is an example that subnational should follow. Whatever we need to do together, we'll do it. We will soon launch a comprehensive agenda on that, as well as make bold agenda for our food sovereignty. Thank you for the warm reception. Obasani, I thank you very much. Thank to all of you. The time is running. I got to get back to work. Next one, I will try and have more time to stay the night in Kaduna State. May God bless you all. Bless Nigeria. Keep our military men and women safe at the front. Thank you.